Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm at the Mango Vista. Today's video is going to be on micro gardening. What is it, examples of it, and what are the benefits of it? So let's take a walk and get into it. So let's start with what is micro gardening. Micro gardening is where you have a small area in your yard that has fruits, vegetables, and flowers. This is the first example. From a distance, it looks like really nice plants. And you see a red Hawaiian, really nice plant there. But as I get closer, we start to see the fruit trees. Coconut, banana. This just looks like a bush, but it's a miracle berry. And then for flowers, this is shell ginger, and then sweet almond in the back, and right next to sweet almond, that's firebush right here. And then this is an edible cranberry hibiscus. Actually tastes like cranberry. And then we go to vegetables. That's cassava right here. So we have all three packed in this one area. That's one example of micro gardening. Let me show you another one. Here's another example. Let's get a little closer. That's cranberry hibiscus there. This is a Turk's cap with a red edible flower. Black Suriname cherry, that's a fruit tree. Next to that, sweet almond bush. And if we come over here, Barbados cherry, and tucked away some bananas. One more example and then I'll get into a couple benefits. This is a papaya tucked in between a ornamental banana and a Chinese fan palm. Behind the fan palm, I have a ice cream bean and more bananas. There's also katuk back there. If you have a small yard, micro gardening is definitely the way to go. I'm in Zone 9B, West Florida. We receive a frost every year. And these plants being so close protect each other. Look at this cassava. Right next to a sweet tamarind and a banana. Also, by being so close, I believe they share nutrients with one another. That's why they look so healthy. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.